Hello everyone, welcome to new tech tip video. My name is Zeeshan and I'm cloud evangelist at DataNext Solutions. We help our customers to adopt cloud technologies and improve their business. So if you need any help, feel free to reach us out on our email. Uh, Today we are talking about S3 storage classes. Uh, AWS S3 basically is an object storage service, which means that all your objects stored like videos file, images, JavaScript files or CSV files, files that you want to access in your other cloud environment or share with public, you can actually store in object storage service like S3. When you actually store your objects in S3 service, there are like different classes, which classes you want to basically store it. And we'll talk about the differences between these classes. What a S3 provides is basically provides you 11 nines of durability. So that means if there is a something happened to your data, it's they will be able to recover it. So 11 nines of durability plus 99.99% of SLA S3 service provide, and you only pay for what you basically use. So if you upload 1 terabyte of data to S3 service, you pay only for 1 terabyte, or if you upload like 5 terabytes, you pay only 5 terabytes. So let's this is a like quick overview of S3, but let's talk about the storage classes. So we have typically 6 storage classes. The default one is the S3 standard storage classes, which is when you upload the data to S3, it is basically uploaded in the standard storage classes. All these tiers has basically different pricing models, and so if you are accessing your data on a regular basis, like you're uploading, deleting files, and people are accessing your files more frequently, and you need like a very good performance, then the S3 standard storage class is for you. If there are some data in your S3 bucket, or you can say folder in a sense, um, that might change. For example, you are accessing the data now, but after 30 days you no longer need that data. You can actually move it to a different tier, and that will allow you to save some money on the storage cost, because if you have infrequently accessed data, for example, after 30 days you don't need it, that data to access, but you might need for archive, for maybe compliance reasons or some other reasons. So you can actually move your data to standard IA, which is like infrequently accessed. It will have a little bit less, you can say, cost. It will cost less than the standard one. And then uh, number 3 and 4, for example, one zone infrequent access is both are kind of a same. These top three, the standard, intelligent tiering, and one zone, the standard IA, they allow basically around they keep your data around 3 availability zones. And but one zone infrequently is actually your one zone, one availability zone. So that's the difference between these two. So your data won't be replicated across 3 availability zones in the cloud. With one zone, it will be only in the one um, availability zone. Let's go back a little bit to intelligent tiering. So what happens, it's actually you can set rules automatically that after 30 days, the data actually automatically move from standard to infrequent is standard or something, which is like a machine learning logic AWS provides. This is a relevantly new tiering, but which basically automatically monitors your activity of the S3 and move your change your storage class actually to a different one. So if you have a data that probably you don't need for maybe 2 3 years, or for archival purposes, or just for the backups, the ideal tier is to use actually Glacier. For example, if you need just in case that data back, you can actually wait a couple of hours. So you have to submit a request to AWS that I need that data back. So if the data is in the Glacier class, it's basically kind of in a cold storage, and they will actually allow you to, from, I think maybe it will take a couple of hours to get that data. But with the standard storage and others, you can actually get the data pretty fast, basically on demand. And there is another new service called Deep Archive, which gives you like retrieval time. If like you can wait, for example, 12 hours or more, then you can actually move your data to Deep Archive, and that is the cheapest option. So this will cost you less. This will cost you a little bit more than that. This will cost you a little less. This will cost more, and the standard pricing is standard. So hope you like the overview of S3 storage classes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us out, and I'll be happy to answer that. Thank you.